All right, so we've got a simple little project here and show you how sometimes the most obvious answer isn't the most obvious answer. So we've got a little situation here where a customer says, well, how would I go about removing this key tag? And so this was an image or model that they got off of MakerWorld. So the first thing we can do is just right click and choose split and split to objects and see if that key tag is separate, and it's not. So that is not going to work for us. So what's our next step? Well, our next step is to just bring this logo over here and hit Control 1. And I do this all the time. So this should work out pretty well for us. Let's go ahead and grab the Windows snipping tool and just make a little snip. And we're just going to copy it to the clipboard. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to come out to chat and we're going to paste it. And this is where things get interesting because we're just going to ask chat to remove that key tag for us. So let's go ahead and do that. I would like you to remove the little key tag on the left top corner and convert the image to black and white, suitable for 3D printing and vinyl cutting. All right, so there we go. Come on, chat, do your thing. So you can see chat did exactly what we asked it to. We'll go ahead and copy our image, and then we'll come in here to Inkscape and we will paste our image. Then we will right click on our image and choose Trace Bitmap, and we'll go ahead and hit apply, and we'll come down here, then we'll go to path, then we'll go to break apart, then we'll take this line up top, we'll go to object, lower to bottom, give it some kind of color, doesn't matter what color. We'll take all those other bits, we'll hit Control K, then we'll save this image, go to our desktop, and we'll call it Bingo. And there we go. Now let's go back into Bamboo and hit Control I. Go to our desktop where we have Bingo. So now Bingo is nice and big. So let's go ahead and resize Bingo. Right there. Okay. And then you can see here, if I select this, we have two pieces. This one's going to be turned to white. Let's go ahead and select that, and we will change the overall thickness to, let's just do 4 for this example. Okay, and then we would take our white, and because that's 4, and that, what we would do is make it 2. Okay, and then in the Z height here, we will make that 5. So then you can see that's how it works. So very, very simple, get perfect results. Now, could we have done a Boolean operator here where we would cut this off with a Boolean, with a mesh Boolean? We could have, certainly, but I just felt like this was a little bit quicker and easier way to go about it. Very straightforward. So hopefully that kind of gets you thinking of various different things and ways and utilizing chat for your image editing because it is quite a powerful tool to do so. So until next time, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.